Hi friends, thanks for joining me today. So in today's video, as I mentioned in my previous video, we're going to talk about how to clean our stamp blocks. Now if you notice, and I don't even know if it picks up on the screen, but it gets gummed up from tape, from glue and stuff, from our just stamp and ink and stuff. And you should clean them once in a while. And I thought this would be perfect to show for my next tip. So what I do, there's two things that you could do. You could either use hand sanitizer or rubbing alcohol. Now I like rubbing alcohol better because I think it just gets that gumminess off quicker. The hand sanitizer does have 70% alcohol in it, so really it's the same thing. And it's more of a gel-like, but I'm just going to do it, and I have a microfiber cloth here, so you want to get something that doesn't have any fibers that will peel off, such as like paper towels or even like a washcloth that might have lint on it and stuff. So then you'll just pour a little bit onto your cloth, and then we'll close that up just in case because we don't want to knock it over. And then you just rub until it's shiny and almost new. I mean, they do get scratched up, and unfortunately there's nothing that you could do about the scratches, but it does get the gumminess off. And you just keep rubbing until all of that comes clean. And if you need more, you can add a little more. Looks like I'm running low on my rubbing alcohol, so I have to get a new bottle. And you just keep wiping until it's nice and sparkly and almost new looking. Yeah, it's really hard to tell. It's really hard to tell. But I hope you can see it pretty good. So, and then you just move on to your next one and do the same thing. Repeat the same thing. Now let's try the hand sanitizer. Now with the hand sanitizer, I just like to squirt a little bit right directly on the block, and then I wipe. I probably put just a little too much, but just keep doing circular motions until you get it nice and clean. And then you flip it over, and because there's still sanitizer left on the cloth, you can do the other side as well. And this also works great if you happen to have a glass mat. I don't have the glass mat, but I do have a laminated mat, so I'm going to squirt a little bit of the cleaner on here. And I have some areas where there's glue on it. I just scrub that off, and then it's good as new. Some of them are a little more stubborn, so you got to put a little elbow grease into it, but they all come out in the end. You can see that I haven't done this in a while, so this was the perfect time to do this video and get some cleaning done in my craft table. All right, so I don't know if you could see those. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. And I see that on this block I have a little bit of ink on it. And my cloth is still nice and wet, so I could wipe that off. And it comes out nice and clean. Like so. And then you can store them any way that you want. I keep them in this little container. It's just like a little carry-all, but I keep this on my desk and I just put them in there. I also have one of those stamp carriers, but Stampin' Up no longer sells those. But I keep extra ones in there for when I'm traveling and I'm doing classes. So there you go. So very easy to do. Hand sanitizer or just plain old rubbing alcohol will get your blocks nice and clean, and a microfiber cloth. All right, friends, I hope you enjoyed that tip and I hope it's helpful to you as well. Please remember to give me a thumbs up. It's helping me for my YouTube channel. And if you're not a subscriber, I'd love to have you subscribe. My videos are uploaded on Tuesday mornings and also on Fridays where I share a fun tip. Till next time, have a great day. Bye-bye.